Nevada energy rates went up by 20% this year. Check your projected power costs for this month. Seriously, log in and look at your projected costs for your next bill. For July and August, they're reducing the 20% bump by 2.9%, so your July and August jump is still 17% from last year. In September, we'll be back to the full 20% increase, and then in January, there'll be another rate increase. Do you see the trend? If you're good with paying a premium rate for energy that keeps trending upward, you're on the right plan with Nevada Energy. But if you'd like a different plan, something that's easier on your bank account, you could have an option. How does this sound? Reduce monthly energy costs. These reduced costs would never increase. No future rate hikes. No upfront cost to get started. Save today and save more when rates increase for others. Did we mention you don't need any money to get started? Those benefits are what solar can do for you when it's done right. But what if you're moving in a few years? Oh, what if you're too old? Doesn't matter. Whether you're staying in the home for just a few more years or whether you're too old, it does not matter. Pay less today, pay less tomorrow. And when you leave the home, the new homeowner continues to benefit from the locked in lower energy rates that you grandfathered in for them. You win, and when you move, they win. NV Energy takes your money every single month. It takes it straight out of your bank account. Now, if you go solar, you get to keep that Nevada Energy Fund. You get to keep some of it, and then the remainder goes into something that you now own. Instead of sending all that money into the endless Nevada energy hole, you get to keep some each month, and then a smaller stack goes out into something that you're going to own. It's a much better play. Nevada Energy or solar, which sounds better? Well, we think the choice is clearly obvious. Go to energyupsolar.com today. Savings from day one, zero upfront costs, no sales pressure, just the facts. Go to energyupsolar.com. We can help you stop burning money.